The Galaxy S23 series turned out to be a big hit for Samsung, with the Ultra model being the most popular among fans. Galaxy S24 Ultra, so soon after the current model's launch. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S23 series in early February this year. Pre-orders started right after the launch event, and the three Galaxy S23 phones hit stores on February 17th in most places. That is the usual window for Samsung's first flagship series of the year. The Galaxy S24 phone models will likely be unveiled in early 2024. We'd expect a similar release date for the handset. S23 pricing structure is one of the great things about the current series. The 2023 Ultra starts at $1,199, a great price for the flagship. Obviously, most fans hope the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a similar price, but don't be surprised to see some price hikes. If the Galaxy S24 phones cost more, we'll remind you that Samsung runs great pre-order deals. The alternative would be waiting a couple of months to buy the handset. The Galaxy S23 Ultra uses almost the same design as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. One change concerns the curvature of the screen and the edges. The S23 Ultra screen isn't flat, but is not as curved as the S22 Ultra. Flat screens are more durable, but there's no telling whether Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a perfectly flat screen. What you don't expect to change are the top and bottom edges, which have to be flat. That's because of the built-in stylus, which forces Samsung to use a flat bottom edge. Therefore, the top edge gets the same design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra should feature the largest display in the S24 series, measuring at least 6.8 inches. The screen should support a dynamic refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, although some rumors already claim a screen upgrade to 144 Hz is due. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could remain the only S24 model with a periscope camera. More importantly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra should be the only flagship to rock a 200-megapixel sensor. All Galaxy S24 phones will have this set of base specs, although the Ultra will certainly get the best possible hardware for a 2024 phone. We're probably looking at a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor powering the entire line. Rumors say Samsung is considering an Exynos 2400 processor for the Galaxy S24 line, but hopefully that will not happen. One of the big reasons why the Galaxy S23 is so successful is that it hasn't suffered from performance issues like the Exynos-powered Galaxy S22. All three S24 phones should rock LPDDR5X RAM like their predecessors, but the non-Ultra handsets could see a memory boost to 12 GB. A recent rumor also claimed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might feature 16 GB of RAM. As for storage, the Galaxy S24 Ultra should go up to 1 TB of storage and start at 256 GB. Pre-order deals will likely let you double the storage for free. It's too early to tell whether we should expect any storage speed bumps beyond the current USB 4.0 tech. Battery-wise, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature at least a 5,000 mAh battery pack as its predecessor. But we're speculating again. Whatever the case, the Ultra will have the largest possible battery, as it's the biggest S24 variant. The charging speed should at least match the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's 45-watt wired charging, but hopefully, Samsung will improve it, attain the 200-megapixel resolution Samsung introduced this year. But rumors say that Samsung might introduce a new 200-megapixel sensor with additional capabilities. One thing that Samsung should do with the Galaxy S24 Ultra is explaining exactly how night photography works, and maybe stop pretending the moon photos its phones take are real. That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.